Welcome to this beautiful horse farm located in West Tennessee. This horse farm sits on 29 acres. It has multiple pastures. It has a covered arena. This footing is treated with MAG Flakes for dust reduction. It has a beautiful barn with 17 stalls. 4 of those stalls are oversized, 12 by 16s. The others are 12 by 12s. And it features a beautiful brick home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a bonus room. There's so much that this property has to offer. Let's take a look at it. We also have tack rooms on each side and an office. Each one of these stalls does have an electrical outlet for plugging things in, a light, and a fan on switches. They do have windows in them. They are chew resistant, kick resistant. They also have fire resistant panels that the barn is completely built with, which is supposed to help with the spread of fire. There is an automatic fly system throughout. This beautiful brick home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 recently updated office space, large bonus room upstairs, walk-in attic, beautiful covered deck overlooking the property, granite countertops,